In this video we're going to replace the rear tail light on this Honda HRV first generation. And as you can see, you've got a little bit of damage over here. This bit's broken off here, so I've temporarily repaired it with greenhouse tape which kept the water out. And I've got a replacement here, nice one that's not broken. Sourced it on eBay, got it quite cheap. So it was like 50 quid for the whole tail light with all the bulbs and wiring put together. So I'll just be swapping this old one out with this new one. Okay. So this new one here has got the bulbs attached already in it, so what I'll do is I'll swap the bulbs from the old one into this directly. So I'll take these ones out. Do it one-handed. It's quite an easy job. If I can do it one-handed, you'll have no problems. That's all the bulbs and the wiring loom from the new one out. I'll save that as a spare for future. Here you can see inside each of the bulb holes. It's only held in with, this one's held in with 2 screws here, so it's a crosshead screw, one up here and there's one down here, you can see down here, and it's also got plastic pegs which you can see on the new one. There's plastic pegs here, here and here. That's 3 plastic pegs which push into holes on the body. So let's get the old one off. Just use a crosshead screw right out straight. It's lefty loose. That one's loose. I'll just pop it out. There you go. It's got a washer attached to it. Don't lose it, put it somewhere safe. Put it down here on the ledge. Get out the bottom one. There it is. That's out. Just get it. There you go. That's the second one. And now all you have to do is just pull this out. It's held in by pegs, so you can just try and ease it out. There you go. I just grabbed it from this edge here and just pulled it out. And it pops out. It's got the cable attached. There's the cable, and there's, you can see all the old cables going in. I'll just swap the bulbs from the old one. So you can just leave it on there. Okay, I'll just leave it like that. Get the bottom one out. Turn it anti-clockwise and just pull it out. That's it. Yeah. Right. So the bottom one is an indicator. There is a spare slot here for putting on another marker light if you want. So the new one's got a spare slot. You just have to push out the plastic bit and you can fit on another marker light or an extra brake light if you want. So here's the new one. What I'll do is I'll place the new one alongside here. Now that I've got some space. Okay, that's the third, there we go. So that bulb came from the one on the bottom here, which is the amber indicator bulb. The next one is a reverse light. Next one up. That's quite loose, that. So that's the reverse one. And then we got, should be the brake light or the marker light. I'm not sure which one. I'll find out when I test it later. That's it, anti-clockwise. I'll just pull it out. And the top one, which is either the brake or the marker light. Anti-clockwise, turn it. That's it. And just pull it out. And then just pull out the wire. That's it, we've got this one removed. I'll leave the bulbs where they are and just swap it round. Okay, I'll just place the new one, make sure that is the new one. Place it down here and replace the top light. That's the top light, yeah, back in the top. Not easy doing it one-handed. There you go. That's in, and then you just turn it anti-clockwise. That's it. It's in. Sits in. Make sure it's flush with the hole, and then turn it clockwise a quarter turn, and it clicks in place. And then we'll go work on the next one up. It's this one. That's why it's easy to lay it down in this order. And slot this in, it slots in, it should get in there. There you go. There's a little white tab here, it slots in that hole. Not as easy as it looks. Let's do it on this one. Set it nice and flush, and then just rotate it until it clicks. That's it. That's that one. And then we do this one's a bit of a tight one. Okay, then we'll just slot this one straight in. This is the reversing light. Slots in, and then rotate it clockwise until it clicks in. That's it, it's in tight. Okay, then we just got the amber indicator light to go in. Okay, this one I'm gonna lift this out in here. On that one there. Just balance it in there. There you go, I had to do that holding the camera with my mouth here because I just needed my other hand on that bottom one, but that's done. Okay, then we just place the whole unit, just carefully, drop it. Okay, got the whole unit, just make sure those white pegs line up with the holes on the side of the body. There's the holes on the body. See, there's one hole there, and there's one hole there, there's one hole there. So I just line these pegs up, do the bottom one first. might be easiest to just get the bottom one in first, and then the middle one. Make sure the top one goes in, and that's it. Just click it in place. There you go. You click this in place. There you go. That's it. It's clicked in place. We just put the two little screws back in. Do the bottom one first. It's crosshead. Okay, get your screwdriver in there. Do the top one. There you go. Not too tight because you don't want to break the washer or the plastic behind it. Okay, that's done there. Okay, that's the tail light done. Let's test it out.